Hey kids, it's me, Carly the cat. I'm so excited that you decided to join our channel today and color with the coloring cats. We have something exciting planned today. We're going to be drawing baby Dory. She's so cute, I can't even handle it. So let's get coloring. First, we're going to start by drawing a curve. Now we're going to wrap it around. We're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Now let's do the inside of Dory's eye. I don't know if you already knew this, but Dory's eyes are purple. They're incredible. Now let's do the pupil. Draw a rectangle and a circle. A rectangle and a circle. And let's color in the outside of Dory's eyes. Wow, Dory's eyes are so big and so beautiful. Let's add a few more details above her eyes. Let's add the eyelids below. Now let's complete the top of Dory's head. Great! Now let's do her top fin. Just a curve and two lines. Dory's looking a little crazy right now because she doesn't even have a nose. Let's draw the nose. Now let's draw the rest of her body. Now let's go ahead and draw Dory's cute smile. Curve, curve, connect. Just like that. I'm gonna go thicken the area around Dory's head. Now it's for the fun part. We get to draw Dory's fins. Curve out and back in. Curve out and back in. Her fins have stripes. Now last but not least, we need to make Dory's tail. Go out, down, and back. Now let's add the stripe. We're done drawing baby Dory. I can't believe it. Let's go ahead and start coloring her. Let's start with a light blue all over the face of Dory. Now let's go ahead with our dark blue and find a few dark areas. Her eyes are a little bit darker. underneath her eyelids are darker too. Now we're going to go blend this Prismacolor marker out using the lighter Prismacolor. This is my favorite part about Prismacolor markers, is the way that they blend. Wow, Dory's looking incredible. Let's start doing the blue on Dory's fins. The thing that makes Dory the cutest is her eyes. Let's make sure to make her eyes really beautiful. Start with a pink. Fill in the whole under area with pink and maybe a little above. Now we're going to go in with a darker pink. Last but not least, we're going to use our purple and just go around the edge. Let's go blend with the light pink. Dory's eyes look incredible. Now let's go ahead and do all the yellow areas. Dory's back fin has a yellow spot, as well as her two side fins. I think it would be great to go back in with some gold and make the fins look even more incredible. Just like that. Do some staggered lines. Now let's go over and blend with the yellow again. Great! Last but not least, we're going to go back in on the black areas. I almost forgot to do the inside of Dory's mouth. We're going to do that dark blue. Aw, Dory looks so precious. I'm so glad you came and colored with us today. I hope you enjoyed it.
Hey kids, thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe or click on one of the videos above to see more of the coloring cats. Bye!